Hi there, I'm Chris.
Tasmin,
Welcome to Wheelie's World.
come with this and go to Eagle.
So we booked this trip to the Emerald Pool a few days ago. It was absolutely amazing. Fees for the entry are 400 baht, the Emerald Pool and Hot Spring 200 baht. This is the Hot Spring waterfall. And these are the rules. Please shower before. No shoes or socks. No smoking. So this is the walkway that takes you past the hot stream. You're not allowed in it because it's obviously too hot. And there's quite a lot of wildlife. It's very humid, isn't it? If we turn left here, it should take us to the waterfall. This is the hot stream. As you can see, it's really clear. Loos and changing rooms are over there. This is the hot spring apparently, so you get an hour here. yesterday's rain, it was quite a lot of mud coming through, so we're nice and clear today. You can see the river itself is quite a lot of silt in it. It's really warm. I'd say it's about 37, 40 degrees. Very cool, clear. The other streams are too hot to go in, and obviously too much wildlife. This is the entrance to the Emerald Pool. We could have a bag check here. Check your bags to make sure you're not bringing any food or alcohol or anything that you shouldn't in. So I've just taken towels and a change of clothes with us. It's about a kilometre's walk to the Emerald Pool from the start of the trail. It's not far. You're good? Surprised to see some fish in here actually. I think there's an awful lot to eat, would you? Yeah. I think it's just a short walk to the blue pool. Up that way. That's 600 meters to the blue pool. It's about 10 meters in diameter, 4 to 5 meters deep. Let's go and see what it's like. The hot water flowing over the ground here, leaving a deposit. So we've arrived at the blue pool. You might be able to hear some people clapping. That's to make the bubbles come up, and obviously you're not allowed anywhere near it because quicksand's very dangerous. So this basically feeds the emerald pool with warm water, heated by geothermal springs between 30 and 50 Celsius.
Quicksand.
You might be able to see some of these bubbles coming up. That's the warm water welling up from below. If you clap your hands, it'll set off the bubbles. Let's see some coming up from the bottom now. This is really pretty too.
Nice, isn't it? It's a stream.
Just a little way off the walkway. It's the Shrine of the Hermit.
There's no hermit, so something doesn't come out.
People who often dedicated their lives to prayer. I will have to look it up and maybe put some text in the description. Alright, we better head back. We're back at the Emerald Pool. This is the stream that feeds it. See all the deposit. See, all of this area is absolutely covered in water, and it's all feeding into the Emerald Pool here. So Daz, what did you think of the Emerald Pool?
Pretty cool. I liked it.
I really like the energy there. It's really nice.
Did you feel it?
Yeah.
I did. I fell in.
Yeah, the mud is really slippery.
With a bag too.
So you do have to be really careful. But yeah, there's surprised to see some fish in there too.
And you? Yes.
And what about the blue pool?
Epic.
It's really pretty, wasn't it?
It's lovely.
It's really gorgeous. Well worth the walk in the heat.
So we couldn't go in it 'cause it's 50 degrees
And quicksand.
and quicksand. So it's like bye bye.
Yeah.
You're not coming out.
Yeah, all in all, well worth the trip, I think.
But one thing I didn't like is that stream went to first of all.
Yeah,
Hot springs.
It was a bit too quick, wasn't it?
It was. Need at least a couple of hours to actually go explore it. An hour wasn't long enough.
Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching, folks.
Yeah, thanks.
Catch you on the next one.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.